Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can make a transition between two slides in Canva. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I have a sort of blank presentation with two slides, each of a different color. I'll just be using these as an example. And as you can see, if I go into present and present in full screen, let's say, click present, you'll see only a small section. But if I move them, as you can see, it has no transition in it. It is just a sharp transition between one slide and the other. To add a transition, what you need to do is use your mouse and hover over the space between these two slides in the slide track. Once you do that, you'll get this plus to add a page, or you have this sort of right facing arrow to add a transition. You just click on this and then you add a transition of your liking. Let's say, for example, sliding, just click on that, add the duration in seconds. You can add the direction, and let's just say upwards. And now if I go to present and present across the entire screen, if I click right, as you can see, it has added the upwards slide transition, and that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.